Okay, so you were hypnotized earlier.
Yes.
So this time you will go into the hypnotic trance much faster. It'll be a lot easier for you. And you will get an even deeper state of relaxation. Even though it may seem at that time that it couldn't be deeper, but this time you will go much deeper into trance. So are you ready for it?
Yes, of course I am.
Okay, and you're quite excited about it?
Very.
Okay, and you're confident that it'll help you relax further?
Yes.
Okay, great. So what I want you to do is press against my hand. Yes. I want more force, please. Yes, that's very good. Press harder. Okay, can you lean a bit forward and press with the rest of your body? Yeah, that's excellent. Excellent. Very good. Close your eyes. Keep pressing. Take a deep breath. Keep pressing. Sleep! And you're going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. And you're getting more and more relaxed. The deeper you get, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you get. You are going deeper and deeper, 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 deeper into a deep hypnotic trance. And the sounds of the environment that you're hearing are making you go deeper into, much deeper into trance. It is an amazing state. It is an awesome state of hypnosis that you're going into right now. You're sinking deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. You are going down the mountain, and as you go deep down the mountain, you're going deeper and deeper and deeper and more relaxed. You are in a deep, complete state of relaxation. You are at peace. You are relaxed. Your body is filled with health. Your body is filled with a deep sense of relaxation. You are strong. You are healthy. The chi around you is penetrating you, making you stronger, healthier, and more relaxed than ever before. You are filled with health. All illness, all disease, all anxiety, all tension is fading away. And if you decide to take a box and put all the negativity, all the tension, all the anxiety into this box, and you wrap it tight with scotch tape, and then you put a cover on top of it and you throw it into the ocean. And as you return from the ocean, you realize that you can lie down on the sand, and on the sandy beach you are at peace. The sun is shining and you're feeling deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. You're going deeper and deeper into this deep state of relaxation. The deeper you get, the better you feel. The better you feel, the deeper you get. You are in this awesome state of relaxation, health, peace, love. You are filled with chi, the universal force that is penetrating you, is healing you, is making you feel healthier, stronger, and better in every way. Every day, in every way, you will feel better and better when you come out of this trance. You will feel stronger, you will feel healthier, you will feel more relaxed, more refreshed, deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. You are at peace. You are relaxed. You are completely in a state of trance, which is peace-giving, health-giving, life-giving. You are at peace. You are at rest. And when I count to 5, you will awake refreshed and more relaxed than ever before. 1, you are going to be at peace and you're going to be relaxed. 2, you are relaxed, you are at peace. 3, you have just washed your face with cold water, you are refreshed and ready to fall asleep. 4, you are going to be more and more relaxed. When you wake up, the state of relaxation will be with you. It will be you. You are it. You are relaxed. You are at peace. 5. Wake up! Great, wasn't it?
Very relaxing.
है ना? अच्छा, hypnosis में मजे की बात पता क्या है? The time really doesn't matter. After a while, it could be a few seconds, but it would be a deeper state than it was the last time, wasn't it?
Yep, much deeper.
So, thank you.